Ghana Immigration Service Nkwabata War Yiva Sector Command no war from Montemono one more anya parcel bia a year do watch 80 to say a Ntampe and a Kwabrani achichere Boboasa no na wo mo koche ye wo atipui ye no eye Togo ni ho border no eso ewo ho Adom TV etwaso
Ghana Immigration Service a womo voter region akwachi enipa bi mu a no mukita Ntampe be 80 a womo achichire Santampe a na ekita omo yi womo agifri womo ensem ewo Togo ahye so Ntampe no mo achichire e de gu kotoku bag mu Commander ACI Alhaji Abdullahi Zakaria ene nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no wodi tudwa ekoya omanfo yi fa so a womo de Santampe no esi
who acted based on intel. We had an intel that the goods suspected to be Indian hemp were lodged at a particular place at Atipe near the clinic. So we quickly mobilized our men, did it with Ghana Revenue Authority, that is Customs Division, and deployed them to the area. We got there, secured the grounds, and went searching and actually got the goods that were kept in 2 separate rooms.
Osigned to a man for enim say, Womone Immigration Service for Enkamum, send homo betimi etu safui esusa.
We need their collaboration. This is a national security issue. Drug peddling is a serious crime, and we need collaboration of the citizen so that we'll be able to arrest the perpetrators of this crime. And also we would like to plead with them. When they get the information, they should be ready to share it with us.
Acting Voter Regional Commander, Assistant Commissioner, Emma Immigration, ACI Noah, Ahomka Yeboa, Enso Ebo Immigration for a woman to Sana Moy Abaso, where Jumatine and Womo Eye, Ewon Patemol.
What I would say is that the men have done a yeoman's job. And this area or this sector, the Nive sector, which goes through Shia, Tikpi, and Ojukope, and others, they have consistently performed in terms of intersections. If you look at their records from 2021, there have been series of intersections involving narcotics, but this is the largest of it all.